Principle of a bill for an act to provide for the establishment of Federal University of Education, Ikere Ekiti, and for related matters, standing Adekola to move that the bill be now read a second time.
My name is Honorable Shegun Alexander Adekola, member representing Ekiti South Federal Constituency 1 of Ekiti State. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to move that the bill for an act to provide for establishment of Federal University of Education, Ikere Ekiti, and for other related matters be read for the second time. Mr. Speaker, sir.
I'm from Kogi State and represent Yagba West, Yagba East Mapamuro Federal Constituency. I hereby second that the bill be read for the second time.
We all know that the importance of education cannot be overemphasized, or government cannot overinvest in education. And that is why I rise to say, Mr. Speaker, sir, and my respected colleagues, I rise to craft your kind indulgence for support on the bill for an act to establish the Federal University of Education, Ikere Ekiti, Ekiti State. Mr. Speaker, sir, the objective of this bill is to establish Federal University of Education by converting or upgrading the already existing College of Education, Ikere Ekiti, to the status of a full-fledged university. Aware, Mr. Speaker and my esteemed colleagues, that there had been this sustained agitation by the Nigerian public and attempts by successive governments in Nigeria to increase admission space among the federal universities in Nigeria, which so far had not really yielded the desired results, thus necessitating stakeholders to demand for the expansion of infrastructure in existing universities, conversion of some identified first-generation College of Education to university, and the establishment of new ones. Mr. Speaker, sir, the College of Education in Ikere Ekiti was among the foremost College of Education established in this country. It was established initially as the defunct Ondo State College of Education by an edict on 5th December 1977 as a premier institution of higher learning in the state. It was primarily conceived as a training center for teachers of technical education. It was unique in the sense that it principally trained technical and vocational education teachers without neglecting academic areas of study. The college was then affiliated to the then University of Ife. Now Obafemi Awolowo University, which approved its courses and sponsored sales. Mr. Speaker, sir, the college got government approval for the running of NCE, Primary Sandwich Program in 1987, the BED Sandwich and BED Regular Programs in affiliation with the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, in 1992 and 2004, respectively. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ikere College of Education as a tertiary institution, it applies itself to research, organizing lectures, seminars, conferences, and other scholarly activities to extend the frontiers of knowledge in consonance with our statutory functions. It has fulfilled these roles so much that she is regarded as one of the leading colleges of education in the country today. Our lecturers publish their research results in learned journals all over the world. Without prejudice, Mr. Speaker, sir, and my honorable colleagues, the infrastructural facilities of the college compare favorably with first-generation universities in Nigeria, coupled with a pedigree of producing high-quality teachers. Our dear country stands to benefit greatly if this bill is passed. Aside aligning our educational system with the best global practice and harmonizing the disparity between College of Education and universities, it will also refocus our educational system to the promotion of science and education. Mr. Speaker, sir, my honorable colleagues, the establishment of the university is long overdue. It is even made easier because there are facilities on ground to accommodate the university and the numerous agitation among stakeholders for the establishment of more universities in the country. I therefore personally and humbly appeal to my honorable colleagues to support this motion and let it come for second reading. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable colleagues, the question now is that the bill be now read a second time. Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk is invited to read.
Honorable members, A bill for an act to provide for establishment of Federal University of Education, Ikere Ekiti, and for related matters. Second reading.